Hey food lovers, don't mind my cousin in the back. I don't even know how she got here. Today we're making the ultimate buttermilk fried chicken, a recipe that's gonna transform your home cooking game. Let's talk ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of chicken pieces, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, vegetable oil for frying. First up, marination is key. Pour the buttermilk into a large bowl, add your chicken pieces, making sure they're completely covered. Pro tip, do this the night before if you can. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, but overnight is even better. While the chicken is chilling, let's prep our flour mixture. In another bowl, mix the flour with all those incredible spices. Whisk them together until everything's evenly distributed. This is where the flavor magic happens. When you're ready to cook, heat about 1/2 inch of oil in a heavy skillet. You want it at 350 degrees. Use a thermometer to be precise. No guesswork here. Take the chicken out of the buttermilk, let the excess drip off. Then coat each piece thoroughly in the seasoned flour. Press the coating on. We want maximum crispiness. You want to carefully place the chicken in the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches. Each piece needs about 8 to 10 minutes, turning once. Look for that golden brown perfection. Here's a pro chef secret. Let the chicken rest for about 10 minutes after frying. This helps the juices redistribute, making every bite incredibly juicy. Common mistakes to avoid. Keep an eye on your oil temperature. Too hot and you'll burn the outside before cooking the inside. Too cool and you'll end up with greasy chicken. The result? Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, with a tangy flavor that'll have everyone asking for your secret. A few final tips. Use a meat thermometer to ensure chicken reaches 165 degrees internally. Pat the chicken dry before coating for extra crispiness. Let it rest after cooking for maximum juiciness. Who knew fried chicken could be this incredible? If you try this recipe, drop a comment below. Show me your crispy golden masterpieces. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!